Hello, Susan here. It's a while since I've made a video for Happy Little Stampers, so I thought I'd make you a couple of quick little cards using this Rainy Days stamp set. First of all, I'm going to make the card blanks. Now, if you're making a card blank rather than using a standard one, always make sure you've got a suitable envelope that it will fit in after you've made it. This is going to be folded in half. And what I want to do is make the front of the card embossed. So I've got my Big Shot platform with no tabs. I've got a cutting plate. I've then got this Swiss Dots embossing folder. I'm just going to stick the card in there, another plate, and then just going to run that through my Big Shot. I've got my embossed part. I'm just going to score that along here. That will fold over like that, and then I'll just trim this to size. So here are my two card blanks, and I'm now going to decorate them. This is a piece of watercolour paper, and I'm just adding Distress Oxide to it. And the Distress Oxide is Salty Ocean. I'm just going to splatter that with water using a toothbrush. And then I'll just leave that to dry. For my second background, I've got a piece of acetate. I'm just smearing it with a bit of the same Distress Oxide, and then I'm going to spritz it with water. And then this is just a normal piece of card. I'm just going to pick some of it up, and then I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to use my heat gun to dry this off. This time I'm adding some fossilized amber. Spritzing it. And then I want to just pick that up at this end. As you can see with the acetate, you can actually move it about so you can place the colour where you want it. Again, I'm just drying the second layer with my heat gun. I've now got two of the stamps from Rainy Days on acrylic blocks, and I'm just going to use black VersaFine to stamp those where I want them. I've now cut that out with a stitch die, cut that one out with scissors, and this is also with a stitch die from the first background, and I'm going to stick these in place like that. For my second card, I've just cut a section of the splashed background with a stitch die, and I'm just going to stamp directly onto that and just add that to my card. And I've got I'll shower you with love, because we're getting close to Valentine's Day. Here's my other background. I thought I'd just add a bit more colour to that one. I'm now just going to add some glossy accents to the top of the umbrella. Just got to let that dry now. Those are today's cards. I hope you've enjoyed my little video. See you again soon. Bye.